If you snore at night, there's actually a way to fix it. But before I tell you how, you need to understand why it happens. When you sleep, the muscles in your nose and throat relax. If your nose is partially blocked, air struggles to pass through, and you start breathing with your mouth, which causes vibration. That's what we call snoring. But when you use nasal strips, they gently open your nostrils so air flows freely again. No mouth breathing, no snoring. We dropped the link if you want to check them out.